Okay, we're up here in Grand Rapids, and Rob Cherry here, he just told me it's time. Wasn't sure what that meant. He's changing his blades. So apparently across the field here, if I can zoom in on it, there's a couple of dead trees there, probably about 60 feet tall. The one on the right, he's going to chop the whole top off with the helicopter. So we're going to see how that goes. Kevin here, he's going to put his drone up, try to get some video of it from up close. We'll see how that goes. Okay, so right now, there is literally nothing wrong with this helicopter. And we're going to see what happens here in a couple minutes.
Oh, you're coming back too, so it's going to land on this side. Well below where it flies off. Oh my god. Oh! He did it. Oh no.
I don't think we're done.
Cut the other one now.
I don't think we're done.
No, it's pretty thin. You're walking out there.
Get the left one. Oh, that way too low.
Oh my god!
All right.
Let's see the blades.
Sounds like something's broken. The word is coming out to see what's up.
Probably gonna have grass stains on the side of it. You like bumped into it. Oh, jeez. Holy fuck!
Holy crap!
Yeah, this guy.
All right.
Came back pretty gentle though. That helped.
All right. We'll get some other blades and we'll do it again. Thanks for watching, guys.